Hello everyone, welcome to GATE Academy Global. We are live on GATE Academy Global with one of our brilliant students who has brought our test series and who is she is continuously viewing our YouTube channels from GATE Academy Global and main channels, and she has prepared very well, and now she got ninth rank in GATE 2021. So I just want to introduce Aleesha Rose on GATE Academy channel so that we can interview her and get some strategy and points, trick and tips, everything, so that those who are preparing for GATE 22 and 23, they can also get the idea that how to prepare. And welcome, Aleesha.
Thank you, sir.
Aleesha, tell something about yourself, because students don't know from which city you are belonging to, and how whether you are in pass out or a dropout students, everything they want to know. So just introduce yourself.
Sir, I'm from Kerala. I've studied BTech at School of Engineering, Pusat, Cochin University of Science and Technology, and I completed my BTech in 2019.
Okay, that means you are a dropout student.
Yes, sir.
So what is your preparation strategy, Aleesha? That means how did you prepare for GATE 2021 so that the students want same single digit rank in their examination also? So they want to know what is your preparation strategy actually.
After I completed all my subjects, I started revising everything, like 1 or 2 subjects a day. Then I prepared short notes and I revised those short notes every day. Then I did test series. Also, while doing test series, I used to do the corrections, and I used to write down some points from that also. And while revising, I used to revise those points also.
So I think that you said 2 points. First one is the short notes. So
yes.
I want to know that what is actually a short notes?
Like the formulas and some of the points which you find it difficult to remember, and whether you make mistakes with that. If you're making continuous mistakes with that, write down that also.
So that means in short notes, you have included the formulas, the important points, and the mistakes you did in or you committed in test series, these 3 things. So when you are revising this particular short notes in a day or after completing one subjects, or you have started revision of these short notes in the month of October, November, when did you started revising these short notes?
While studying the subjects, I wrote all the formulas and all. After completing all the subjects, I started revising those formulas every day.
So every day?
Yes, sir.
So when that means you have not selected any month, you just revising the subject every day.
Not all the subjects, those short notes I meant.
Yeah. Short notes only. I'm talking about that short notes only. You are revising the short notes every day.
And after I started doing the test series, I wrote down those corrections. And after a month of November or something, I started revising those correction points.
So what is your routine, per day routine before month of November? Because in the month of November, you already said that you started revising your short notes and committed mistakes notes. So before that one, what is your preparation strategy? This means in a day, what you are doing, from how many hours you are studying, how many hours you are spending for other work like that?
In the beginning, in the morning, I used to revise any subject, 1 or 2 subjects, maybe only 1 in the morning. Then after that, I used to focus on those topics which I feel difficult, which I'm not so confident about. And then I used to give some topic-wise tests or subject-wise tests and all. That's all.
How does this YouTube lectures help you for preparation of your GATE 2021 from GATE Academy channel?
While I was revising my subjects, I used to get some doubts. I used to get some confusion and all. So I used to watch the GATE lectures from GATE Academy. Some of the lectures I watched, and that all helped me a lot.
So which faculties, subjects you have watched, and what are the topics that you have watched from Gate Academy?
I watched Dundee Sir's network theory
Mm-hmm.
and your EDC lectures I watched.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So that means you are preparing from your short notes, your notes, and in addition to that, whenever you are having doubts, you just watch YouTube lectures of Gate Academy from main channel and Gate Academy global channel both, I think.
Yes, sir.
So which topic you have watched for EDC for preparing your subject?
I watched MOS capacitor. That was a great lecture. I actually understood everything about it.
Mm-hmm. And in Dhande sirs, which particular subjects you have watched?
Network theory only.
Okay, okay. So how does Gate Academy test series help you for your preparation?
The test series, the difficulty level was like that of the actual GATE exam. That is a
Mm-hmm.
very good point. Like you'll be able to deal with the pressure when you're having a difficult paper in front of you. This year's
Mm-hmm.
paper was a bit different, so that will help you manage the pressure and stress that you will have while having a difficult paper. And
Mm-hmm.
the solutions that they give at the end of the test is
Mm-hmm.
also very good. You'll understand your mistakes very well.
Mm-hmm. So that means this particular test series will build your confidence.
Of course, sir.
Can you able to manage the same thing? That means you are confident while you are writing the examination in 3 hours duration of gate day. That means when you are having the examination, can you manage the same cool and calm pressure management? Everything you can manage that one while watching your paper.
I'm basically not a cool person. I get tense very easily, but this time I was able to
Mhm.
manage it. I was not tense at all. That's why I think I got such a good rank. I was not tense. I was able to write the exam completely with a
Mhm.
cool mind.
Okay, that means you are having a cool and calm mindset while writing the examination.
Yes, that's very
So
important.
in this GATE 2020 examination, the marks were so much jumbled. So do you know previously that if we are having marks that is jumbled, 1 and 2 marks are not separated, I can manage each and everything while writing the examination. And did you feel any pressure if you when you watched that the marks are so much jumbled in the examination?
I think last year's exam also it was like that only. So
Hmm.
last year also I've attempted GATE exam. So I knew it would be like jumbled. That wasn't the pressure
Okay,
for me.
that means you know previously. That's why you are in a cool mind only.
Yes, sir.
So, which subject is your favorite?
I like communication. I like
Hmm.
EDC,
Hmm.
analogs.
So, can you able to solve each and every questions of communication, EDC, and analog in examination?
I think I attempted everything, but everything was not right.
Hmm.
Communication one to song.
So, when did you decided that you are going to appear GATE examination, and who motivates you to write GATE examination? What is your motivation actually to write this GATE examination? Do you want to achieve something, or do you want to go for higher studies, or you want to join any PSUs?
While I joined for BTech, I thought of writing GATE exam because my brother wrote GATE exam while he passed out. So I also thought of
Hmm.
writing GATE exam, and I started preparing only after completing my BTech. And my
Hmm.
family also supported me a lot.
Okay, very good. So, what is your planning? You got a very good rank, and you can get each everything. That means, if you want to pursue MTech, you can do you. If you want to go for any PSU, you have this option also. What is your future plan?
That I've always dreamed of a PSU job, so I'll join a PSU.
So, do you have any reason that why don't you go for higher studies, and why
Um,
PSU only?
I don't know. I want a job right now, and I'm very interested to do a job. That's why.
Okay. So if any students wants to prepare and he or she wants to follow you, then what is your tips that the students should follow that tips and they can get the achievement that you have right now?
Um, I think one must be very consistent in their studies, should not give up in between, must continuously prepare, revise every day, revise each subjects, 1 or 2 subjects a day, do as many test series as possible, do the corrections, make the corrections in a short note or something, so that we can revise before the exam also.
So what is the importance? I think you talked enough about short notes. What is the importance of long notes while preparing?
Long notes are important to build your concepts, to be confident about your concepts.
Okay, that means you have to prepare
and while
2 copies.
Revising short notes, I think
one is for
yes,
long
sir.
notes, one is for short notes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So if any students want to prepare, he or she can prepare in 6 to 7 months, or do they require enough time? That means 1 year or 2 year if they want a single digit rank. Is it okay to get?
They can put all their efforts. It all depends on the person, I think. If they are able to put their whole effort, then I think a 6 months or 1 year is enough. Yeah.
Okay, that means in 6th or 7th month or 1 year, they can prepare the whole thing, the whole GATE syllabus, and they don't. It is also depends upon the potential of the person also.
Person, yeah.
And then I want to ask one more question: that you have completed your BTech. Are you a similar person? That means you are brilliant in GATE. I know. That means what is your BTech scenario? That means how you are a student in BTech.
I haven't got any backlogs, but I was not a brilliant student. I think I was not serious at that time, like a college, and also I didn't have any backlogs, but yeah, normal, an average student.
So that means you, when you decided to go for this particular, in first year, second year, or third year, or in final year, when you come to know that your brother is also going there. So when you have decided?
Before I joined for BTech, the my parents also, they were talking about this GATE exam. So I thought I would write the GATE exam after completing my BTech. But when I joined for BTech, I was not at all serious about it. And after the third year, when I was in final year or something, I decided to join for GATE coaching. And after final year, I started preparing for GATE.
Okay, it was nice talking to you, Aleesha. And any single line tips that you have for our aspirants?
Continue preparation. Don't give up. Don't feel low. If you're getting low marks in test series also, don't feel low. You'll be able to do it if you continue your practice. That's all.
Okay, thank you, Aleesha, and congratulations you for getting a brilliant score in GATE 2021. I hope you will do better in your further life also. And I know that you are going to join PSU, and you are very serious about your PSU, and I think that you definitely got some good PSU and good placement in that.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Is how